Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Fitra Saskia. I am in English Department student 2017, Universitas Pamulang. This video is the requirement for the midterm project in Sociolinguistic course. The topic that I chose is about language variation. Here I give the entitled language, dialect, and varieties. And now I would like to give you, first I would like to give the explanation about language, dialect, and of course accent. And then after that I will give you the difference between language, dialect, and accent. As we know that language is used by humans to communicate each other. It means language is a tool of communication that humans use to communicate with each other. When we use language, it refers to the culture of the country, and the existence of language cannot be separate from human life. Here, I would like to explain the varieties of language and the dialect in sociolinguistics. I will give you the first slide. In the first slide is about language and dialect. As stated by Huygens, he pointed out the language and dialect are ambiguous terms. Language is a group of dialects, so it can conclude that dialect is a part of language. So language is a group of dialects. Okay. In here, dialect is a language variety spoken by a speech community that is characterized by semantic feature. In dialect is defined by geographically, socially, politically, and determined. And then the next slide is kind of dialect. There are two kinds of dialect. The first is regional dialect, and the second one is social dialect. In the regional dialect is the way language is spoken, is likely to provide one of the easiest way of observing varieties in a language. In social dialect, the definition of social dialect is originate from social group and depend on varieties of factors like social, class, religion, and ethnicity. And then the second one, the third is the example. Here I will give the example. As you see to the slide, the example of regional dialect is, as in the USA, regional dialect include Appalachian, New Jersey, and Southern English, and in Britain, Cockney, Liverpool English, and Wordy or Newcastle English. And the social dialect, in the social dialect is caste, one of the clearest of all social differentiation, quite often determines which variety of language speaker is. Okay, what is the difference between dialect and language? As we know that, as I state at the first, language is a group of dialect. So dialect is a part of language, and accent is the part of dialect. So we can conclude that English as a language, American is a dialect, and when I say water in British accent is that accent. So I will give the last slide. The last slide I give the explanation about factors that contribute to the variation. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I give 8 factors that contribute to variation. The first is education, age, and ethnicity, social situation, gender, occupation, social status, geography. And For example, in this dialect is a vocabulary and grammar as well, while accent is how the people pronounce the word. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.